Hi guys, welcome back to day 2 of my keto and 5-HTP review. Actually, I'm on a journey. I'm trying to find out whether doing a strict keto and using 5-HTP, will it help me to lose weight? Okay, so I'm going to be doing 5 days. I've already completed 1 day and I did a video on that 1 day. So today is day 2 of my keto diet and me taking the 5-HTP. So I'm going to talk to you guys about what happened since I taped last. Right now, it's lunchtime. It's 11:43. I have not had my 5-HTP yet. I'm going to take that at 12 o'clock in just a little bit. But I do want to talk to you guys about what has happened, what's taken place so far, what my results are. So I'm going to get into that in just a moment. But if you're new to my channel, I'm Simply Carrie. For those of you who are old, I shouldn't say old. For those of you who are not new to my channel and you've been watching me, thank you guys so much, all of you, for watching. Okay, so let me go ahead and get into this real quick. I don't want to take too much time because I am on my lunch break. Okay, I almost can't tell whether this is actually taping sometimes. All right, so couple of things. First off, yesterday after I finished taping, I left work, and one of the things that happens when I leave work is I tend to stop someplace and I'm getting chips or I'm getting some kind of junk. I took the 5-HTP at 12 o'clock yesterday and I had no cravings. I did not make any stops. I was good. I went home, did what I was supposed to do. I did work out. When I worked out, I did not have a lot of energy at all. I had only eaten 2 eggs that day. In fact, I have my journal here. I've been keeping notes of everything that I have been doing. Okay, so as far as my food is concerned, yesterday I had 2 boiled eggs for breakfast. I've been drinking tea, and I'm just trying to replace coffee because I have that coffee habit. So I've replaced that with tea. In fact, mine is warm right now. I just put it in a, oh no, I did. I bought tea from Dunkin' Donuts this morning. I bought green tea and then I ran out, so I've been making it so far. Nothing like having something warm to soothe you. For lunch, I had my protein shake, and I'm going to have, it's lunchtime right now, so I'm going to have a protein shake. I have my 2% milk. Is that 2%? Yeah, 2% reduced fat milk. I had to buy a new one. So I'm only going to use half of this for lunch. Now, lunchtime came today, and I was thinking, okay, what am I going to do? And then I realized, oh, I have the protein. I'll just drink that. But I was also thinking, is that all I'm going to have? I felt a little annoyed by that, which means I need to take my 5-HTP. But I did go and get this little snack. It's a pepper jack cheese snack. So it kind of took away that oh man, all I'm going to have is some milk with protein. It helped. It helped me get over that feeling. Okay. I hope I'm not bouncing around too much. I'm sorry if I am. I'm just trying to keep everything in my head. Let's see. What else did I have for... I can't see this. I got to put my glasses on because I can't see. So I had... was this yesterday? Yeah. Okay, so I had 3 boiled eggs yesterday for breakfast. I had 2 scoops of my protein in 2% milk. And let's see, for dinner, I had 1 chicken breast from Boston Market. And the reason I had the chicken breast is because the food that I had taken out to thaw, it wasn't thawed out. So I was stuck. I had to figure out, where am I going to go to get something to eat that's going to be keto friendly? And then, of course, my husband, when he bought some food, he bought all the sides that were carbs. Everything was carbs. So I couldn't eat that. The only thing I can have was a chicken breast. So I've got to be much better at my meal planning. And there were two slices of bacon left. I did heat that up. I cooked it, and I had those 2 slices of bacon. They tasted so good. But after that, I really was depleted. I mean, I got on the elliptical bike, and I did a video on this elliptical bike that I have. It's a seatless bike. I got on that and I went riding only because my son, he came with me, so I didn't use the other bike. So I went riding, and I'm telling you, it kicked my butt. It was so difficult to do. I could make I think I was able to do about a mile. After that, he had to take over with that bike, and I used the regular bike. So I rode about 2 miles, which isn't that much on the bike. I want to do burpees. 10 burpees a day. Okay. Yesterday I could only do 5 because that's how exhausted I was. I was really depleted. So I did take my vitamin this morning. I didn't take it yesterday. So I don't know if that maybe have had something to do with it as well. So what are my results today? Let's see. I did weigh myself. I've been weighing myself every day. So you're going to get a morning and a night weight that I will put in the description box each day that I do this, so that you can compare and you can see whether I'm losing the weight or not. But so far today, I'm back down to the 215.2. I was there on Wednesday, but then come Thursday, which was yesterday, I was at 216.4. Now, which is today is Friday, I'm at 215.2. So I did lose weight. I did feel lighter this morning, but it's probably water weight. Now I'm talking, and I have got to, where did I put my protein? Where did it go? Okay. All right, if you didn't see that video yesterday, definitely go check it out. But this is the protein that I'm using, the protein shake. So I'm going to be doing a protein, I'm going to be making my protein while I'm talking. So yeah, that was night. Now, another thing that happens with me at night is I tend to want to snack. It's like clockwork. By about 11 o'clock, I want to snack on something. Yesterday, I did not have that feeling at all. I took the 5-HTP at 8 o'clock. I took it at 8 at night, okay, and it did not affect my sleep whatsoever. I did not have any urge to go and snack on anything. I was good. There were plenty of temptations that were put in my way. My son wanted to go to the corner store. Then he wanted to go to McDonald's. It was a million different things to tempt me, but I wasn't tempted. I didn't fall for it, and everything was good. So I did stick to it, which was awesome. Please tell me I have a spoon. This is one of the things, I mean, when you're dieting, you really have to prep for stuff. If you don't prep, you're really gonna, okay, luckily they gave me a straw because I don't know that I have a spoon. Please tell, got one, yeah. Okay, my God. Just everything I have to go through. Okay, so that's my weight. I have lost like a pound. The cravings are down. It's amazing. Okay, the 5-HTP, so far it looks like it does work. Now, as far as the weight, will I actually lose weight by my 5th day? Will I lose more weight? I'm curious to see, so I will be documenting this and letting you know. What happened this morning for breakfast? What did I do? I had an egg. One of my eggs just went crazy. It cracked. So I didn't get a chance to eat that other egg. So I had one egg boiled, and I ended up going to McDonald's, yes, but I had a sausage patty. I had a sausage patty. That's what I had. Now, I don't like having the sausage patties. I really don't like to do the bacon either because I just feel like it's too much fat and I'm going to get that cholesterol. I'm a little nervous about the cholesterol situation, and I have to really look more into that. But for the most part, you know, it was okay. It hit the spot. I've really got to start putting together something for meal planning for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That way I don't have to think about this at that moment, the spur of the moment when you're hungry and you want something, and then you've got to think, where do I go to get something to eat? Why is somebody calling me? So meal planning is definitely good when you're on a diet. Definitely do that if you are going to do this type of diet. But right now, everything is going well. I haven't been tempted. I have been sticking to it. It's a strict diet. Oh, one other thing, vegetables. I do want to incorporate some vegetables in there, something, any kind of greens. However, I did not get a chance to do the greens, so it was just strictly what I told you it was. It was the chicken and those 2 slices of bacon. So you can see why I was feeling like, ugh. Okay, so I got to pack some nutrients into my stuff, and I will be bringing you that kind of stuff as well in my videos. But I'm going to go and finish up my protein shake before it's time to stop my lunch and get back to work. But I hope that you guys are enjoying this. I hope you're getting some kind of benefit out of it. If you are, give me a like. Leave me any comments that you anything that you want to ask me about my dieting and what I'm doing. Definitely leave that in the comment section. And I will be back again with day 3 tomorrow, which is Saturday. Okay, hoping that I lose this weight and I will be working out. So don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, I forgot to mention that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay. All right, guys. See you later. See you tomorrow. Bye.